The Covert FX is equipped with a unique toolless shield removal system designed specifically to minimize the overall thickness of the mechanism and subsequently reduce the overall width and weight. First, locate the two alignment indicator arrows. Now rotate your shield until these two arrows are aligned. Firmly grasp and pull the shield away from the helmet. Be prepared to use some force. Repeat the same procedure for the other side. You're done. To reinstall the shield, simply reverse the procedure and ensure that the arrows are properly aligned.